Hey guys, what is going on? WildRun6 here, and today we are trying to get Assault Rifles Diamond in one game. I know it might not seem that hard, but it took a long time to get set up. So I just basically need to get 8 kills. So all day I've been finishing up getting headshots and long shots and all that terrible stuff to make this video. It took so long. Headshots were the worst for that, mate. I really did not like it. Okay. Basically, I just need 8 kills.
Black Ops, you're authorized to engage.
First one. Come on, XR2, XR2. This gun was okay. Ooh, let's go. Gun 2 done. ICR. This gun is amazing. Hey. HVK, this is one I was working on today. All the other ones I had pretty much done. I had to get the 50 kills. Or the 49 kills without anything. I mean with 6 attachments.
Hostile care package overhead.
Ambush that motherfucker.
This looks so cool to do. Man of War. Kill me, kill me, kill me. I know that wasn't that hard of a challenge. But for the rest of the game, we'll just, I don't know, just mess around, I guess. Yay!
Be advised, hostile HCXD spotted.
Nice job. Nice job. Sweet. Oh shit. God, I haven't used this thing in a while. Earlier I was playing with this guy and he hit like every single, whoa. He hit like every single throwing knife. Pretty crazy. The tri-bullet I think is like one of the best ideas for this weapon. Or the bayonet. Bayonet's actually really useful. Especially like when people are like, if someone punches you, you can just turn around and punch them right back. One thing that's not so good about this gun all the time is sometimes, even though it's like that guy to the left should have died. What I've also noticed, because I've been playing so much, is this game mode, Chaos Mosh Pit, or Mosh Pit, however you want to say it, is basically a Nuketown only map. Like, I've only had a few games where it wasn't. Like, it might be like Havoc or Stronghold or something like that, but otherwise it's... Oh shit. Otherwise it's just, Nuketown. Mostly hardpoint domination. A lot of kill confirmed too. Not a lot of team deathmatch. I haven't seen that much today. Ah, damn. No. The bad thing about having to get a kill and die is I don't start off very good. God damn it. Leave me alone. Oh, shit. Oh god. Damn it. I really like how it looks on the kill cam too. Like just how it's shaped, like it doesn't look like any other gun. I think it's kinda cool. And not many people have it. Oh, and a couple days ago, no, yesterday, I did pull the buzz cut.
Ambush that.
Don't get too hype if you get it. It's not even that good. It's trash. It's just like any other melee weapon, but I feel like it's a lot slower. Like I'd prefer like the Skull Splitter, which I do have. I haven't tried the Galvan Knuckles. I did pull them recently, but I've pulled a lot actually in the past in the past week, because I did unlock my bribe, so that was kind of fun to do. That took a long time. Well, because I didn't really play in the beginning. I wasn't really going for it. Like all my friends were doing like gun game and quick games and stuff, but I just like, first of all, I wasn't winning all of them, so I started getting really mad. So I just played for fun. But then I started, because I really just wanted that new Banshee or the AE9 or 4, I think. That's Advanced Warfare. I don't know what the new pistol's called, but the new energy guns. I really wanted to get one of those. But in that opening, I got this, which is probably the better alternative. This thing is really amazing, especially if you put Scavenger on.
Blunted. UAV inbound. UAV inbound.
Ah, damn it. Sneak in here. Nope. So many people have been camping too, though. It's like really annoying.
Advised. Hostile UAV incoming.
What are we even playing? Kill confirmed? Oh, we're gonna lose. That's a loss for us. Positive at least. What? Okay, I'm not being final.
Hostile hellstorm overhead.
Oh god. Nope, nope, nope.
Mission is a bolo. Get out of my sight.
That kind of
They
sucks.
kicked our asses.
Well, that was good. I got diamond. It's pretty cool. Hopefully, I could do it for another class. I mean, I could do it for shotguns and snipers. I've already gotten
Talk is cheap.
submachine guns. That was actually pretty easy. It's like, cause I don't know, it was just easier. And I've gotten one pistol done, so I can't do it in one video. And I've also done the XM53. No, I haven't finished the XM53. I have it on like Bliss or something like that, which is kind of far. But my friend already has Dark Matter, which is kind of cool. I honestly don't really like Dark Matter. I mean, yes, it's cool to get, like good achievement, but like so many people have it that it just doesn't even look cool anymore. Like I'd rather have like a epic camo, or like if someone put like their own paint job on it. I think that looks cool, especially when you prestige weapons. Well, guys, that was the video. Got diamond in one game. Surprise, surprise. Okay, guys, see you next video. Thanks. Peace.